To install OBS Studio, first go to your browser. In the search box, write OBS Studio download. Click enter. Then click on the first link, download OBS Studio. And the URL should look like this: https://obsproject.com/download. I will also provide the download link in the description below. You can go from there too. Now we're going to select operating system. Since I'm using Windows, so I will click on the Windows. If you're using any of the Apple OS, you have to click here. If you're using Linux, you can download Debian or RPM file from here. So I click Windows, then go below, and then I'll click download installer. You can also download from other sources like via BitTorrent. You can also the zip file. You can download from Microsoft Store. You can download from Steam app, or you can visit the GitHub repository, or you can also select previous releases if the new version doesn't support. So since I don't have to worry about that, I will click on download install. You should also click on this too. You will get the thank you message from them and your download should start. Now you have to wait. After your file has been downloaded, go to your file explorer, click on downloads, and here is your installer. Now double click on it. Click yes if you're seeing a user account control window. Now you will be greeted with a welcome screen. Now click next. Here is the licensing of OBS Studio. You can read it. After reading it, click next. Now it will ask for where you should download your OBS Studio. I would like to keep it default. It is C drive program files folder, and the file folder name will be OBS Studio. If you want to change it to another directory, click on browse and you can click whatever folder you want. Now click install. You can also select show details to see what are being extracted there. Now we wait. Congratulations, your setup has been completed. Now if you click finish, the OBS Studio will automatically launch. If you disable this, it will not automatically launch. So if you want to launch it now, click here. If you want to read the release note, you can also click it, then click finish. But since I don't want to read any release notes, so I will just launch the OBS Studio from here. There you go, your OBS Studio started. If it is your first time launching, you will see this window where it will ask if you are going to use OBS for recording or streaming or for virtual camera. Since I will be using it for recording, I will be clicking this one, then I will click next. Now it will ask for your video setting. My current display is 1920 by 1080, and software will automatically detect if it can record in 60 or 30. So I'll keep the setting the way it is. Then I click next and it will test for frame. After the testing, now you will click apply settings. There you go, you have successfully set up your OBS software. Now you can use it as you want. Thanks for watching.